This video is an engineering analysis of why soft surfaces compromise a laptop's system cooling integrity, looking at the thermal dynamics when a laptop is placed on a lap. Laptops are densely packed systems. During operation, the CPU and GPU generate significant heat as a byproduct of computation. This thermal waste must be physically moved from the core components to the exterior environment to prevent system failure. Engineers design active cooling systems based on fluid dynamics to manage thermal waste. The intended circulation loop involves air intake through vents, circulation over heat sinks, and thermal exhaust. This requires a critical airflow gap between the chassis and the resting surface. The lap is a hostile surface environment. When a laptop moves from a desk to a lap, environmental variables shift drastically. Soft and uneven surfaces introduce material properties like flexibility and insulation that the cooling system was not designed to accommodate, leading to three specific failure points: occlusion, insulation, and conductive feedback. System failure I is intake occlusion. The primary cooling mechanism is airflow. Placing the device on a lap, blanket, or cushion allows the soft material to mold against the rigid chassis. This contact physically seals the intake vents, leading to mechanical blockage. Without cool air intake, the fans cavitate and internal circulation stalls. System failure 2 is the insulation effect. In a proper environment, heat radiates away from the case. However, fabric and clothing act as thermal insulators. Soft materials trap the heat, preventing it from dissipating into the surrounding air, which creates a, quote, blanket effect and keeps high temperatures localized against the hardware. System failure 3 is conductive heat transfer. With airflow blocked and insulation trapping radiation, internal ambient temperature spikes. The internal components transfer their excess warmth directly into the laptop's chassis. The result is that the lap absorbs the heat, raising the temperature of the surface beneath the computer. The combination of blocked vents, insulating materials, and conductive transfer creates a compounding feedback loop, leading to a cascade of thermal inefficiency. The cooling system is impeded, and the device moves outside its optimal operating temperature range. To prevent overheating and restore the airflow equilibrium, the environmental conditions must match the engineering requirements. The fix is to use the laptop on a flat, hard surface. A rigid, non-insulating boundary prevents vent blockage and ensures the necessary gap for air intake and heat dissipation. If operation on a lap is required, we must artificially reconstruct the hard surface environment. Tools like a laptop stand or a firm, flat lap desk provide a rigid barrier between the soft legs and the intake vents, ensuring proper ventilation is maintained. To summarize, maintaining thermal integrity, ensure proper airflow by using open space and avoiding materials that block vents. Manage dissipation by avoiding insulators and allowing heat to disperse efficiently on hard surfaces. Finally, control conduction by managing the contact point, using a lap desk to break the conductive loop between the chassis and your body.